my YouTube loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to give you guys some of my last minute things you need to do before your cruise. These are the things you do like that. Last week, you're about to go on your cruise and you want to just tap some loose ends. Make sure you do these things. Cross your T's, dot your I's before you leave your home to head down to your cruise. So I'm going to give you guys some general things and some things that I definitely do every cruise. One of the first things I want to do is for my ladies. You know, I like to get my hair done before my cruise. I like to wear protective hairstyles. So normally you see me with braids in my hair. So I get my hair done. And I like to get my nails done. So I got my nails done for my upcoming cruise. I like to get a little Nautica look going on. Get me all cruise ready. I also like to get a massage sometimes, but this particular cruise I'm going on, I'm leaving in a few days for, I'm actually going to get a massage on the boat. My anniversary just passed and my husband got me a massage to get on the boat. So I'm really excited about that. Had one done a couple of times, but they're kind of pricey, but I'm getting one on the boat this time. So I'm excited about that. So ladies, you want to get your pre-pamper on before your cruise, as well as the guys get those manis and panties. You know, get your pre-cruise pamper on. That's something I think is very important to get you in the cruise mood and stuff like that. The second thing I want to tell you to do is to stop your meal. Now in my case, my husband and other people be in my house, so I don't have to worry about that. But if you're traveling with your significant other and your whole family's going on a cruise, you want to get to the post office, put a stop on your meal. The next thing is kind of ties into that is to let your neighbor know that you're out of town. Just somebody could keep an eye on your home. They know you're not there. So if they see any suspicious activity going on around you, your home, they know you're not there to call 911. That's very important, so they know you're out of town. The next one is to notify your bank that you'll be traveling. Specifically when you're on a cruise, here's a big tip. If you're going on a cruise and you're traveling, let your bank know that you're going on a cruise. Don't say I'm just going on the account. So I'm going on a cruise. You have to list the ports you're going to. Also list the home port of your cruise. Happened to me, I notified the bank that I was going on a cruise, but I didn't tell them, hey, I'm going out of Miami. So I happened to use my card and they froze my card. I'm like, I'm traveling. They said, you said you was going to Bahamas and Aruba. They said you was going to Miami. And so my car got frozen while I was on the cruise because I was in Miami. So it's important to let them know of every stop you're going to be on. Hey, I'm leaving out of Miami. I'm going to this place, this place, this place. I might be using my card in these ports just to have that taken care of. Notify your bank of your travel plans. Check your medication. Make sure you got enough medication for your entire voyage and then some. You guys know if you cruise or hurricanes or anything can happen. You don't want to just take 7-day supply. I'm going on an 8-day cruise. I got enough medication to last me for 14 days. So I try to take a little bit more extra just in case something happened. I have enough to get me through my cruise and then some. So take a little bit extra of your medication just in case. There's been times where people get stuck on the cruise ship, you get delayed, anything. Make sure you have enough medication. Also, bring a list of your medication. If something happens to you on this ship, you need to see the doctor. You can say, I'm taking all these medications, and you can show the ship doctor in case emergencies happen. So I always take a list of my medication. Next thing is to confirm your hotel reservations. You want to make sure you call and just double check, hey, I'm checking in this day. Is it a chance for maybe possibly early checking in? My flight makes it to Fort Lauderdale at 9:15 in the morning. So we have a large group going to Fort Lauderdale and checking into our hotel. I did call my hotel. There's a chance I might be in my room by 11 o'clock. So that's not too bad. Maybe grab a bite to eat, check my hotel. And I found out that my hotel I'm staying at, they will hold my luggage while I go get something to eat or go do a little shopping if my room is not ready. So always call and recheck your hotel reservations. The next thing I want to tell you is oh, your cell phone. Yes, some people don't like to use their cell phone on a cruise, and I get that. But me, I love posting on Facebook, Instagram, you know, going on Snapchat. I love letting people know what I'm doing. I like to post like a picture of the day on my vacation cruise. So with my phone plan, I have an international plan that I paid for because I use what I use in Paris, and I just kept it because it was really dirt cheap. So I'll be able to use my phone when I'm off the ship like I do at home with no extra fees. But if you don't want to use that, make sure you call your phone company, check for any type of international plans you may have if you choose to use it. If not, you get aboard that ship, turn your phone off. My first cruise back in 2011, I went to Mexico and I didn't realize that. I got an $800 bill. Yeah, I was pissed. And I made Sprint take it off because I didn't realize that. But just FYI, if you don't want to use your phone, turn it off and put it in airplane mode while you're on the ship. Some cruise lines, I know Carnival does, they do have like little Wi-Fi packages. They have a social plan and value plan and other plans, so you can be able to do that. So that's up to you. Check your Pacific ship to see what type of internet plan they may have if you want to use your phone. Bring a pair of backup sunglasses. I like to go to Walmart and get some nice little cheap sunglasses. I don't like to get expensive sunglasses because they break, you can lose them. I would try to find the most fashionable, cheap little sunglasses at Walmart or a local store. Nothing too fancy that I don't mind if I lose, I don't really care. If you're gonna bring your camera, and I'm a vlogger, bring extra batteries, extra chargers, because you don't want to be vlogging for me and battery die. So I bring extra memory cards, extra batteries. I always make sure I have a lot of supply for that. Another thing that I do is not wear my wedding ring because I'll get a dummy ring. Ladies, jewelry, valuables. Me personally, I value my wedding ring and I would hate to lose it on vacation. So I go to the beauty supply store, dollar store, and give me like a cheap little band. Amazon sells like the little plastic bands, whatever, something cheap I wear on my hands, so in case I lose it, I really don't care. I remember a vacation where a lady was on a honeymoon and she dropped her ring in the ocean. Baby, we always trying to find that ring. She crying, we all trying to find it. Luckily she found it. But what if you lose your ring or your valuable jewelry? So I like to just get costume jewelry. I get a fake costume ring for a vacation, so if I lose it, I really don't care. And last but certainly not least, I always carry lots and lots of small bills. I'm talking about 1s, 5s, and 10s. When you're in these Caribbean ports, you don't want to be breaking a $100 bill and you get their local money back. Go to the bank, stock up on lots and lots of small bills. I take more than enough small bills for my vacation. And these are just a few small tips I want to give you guys for that last week of traveling. Double check your travel documents. Make sure that you have your travel documents packed. Make extra copies. I always have extra copies of my travel documents that I just have in my luggage in case my luggage get lost. I have travel documents. I have them in my backpack and I carry as my carry-on bag. I have them in my purse and I leave a copy at home. So I always have extra copies of my entire itinerary listed in my cruise folder for at home and with me, so I don't lose anything. That's really important. I left the tip before. When you're traveling, especially on a cruise, always make an extra copy of your boarding pass and put it inside your luggage. If you lose your luggage tag, you open up your luggage, how would they know where the luggage belongs? So if they see your little boarding pass information inside your luggage, they know how to get your bags to your room. That's another tip. But I hope you guys like these tips. Leave a comment down below. What are some of your last minute tips that you do for your cruise? And let me know. Share with others. If you use some of the tips that I use, let me know. If not, let me know what you use to do like that last week before your cruise. What do you do to prepare for your cruise? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. I'm leaving for my cruise today. Hey. Bye guys.